Hey Faye, it's Heaven, and I love sewing, so today I wanted to do some sewing crafts. I'm mainly gonna try to customize my clothing, or maybe I'll make something new, but I mainly want to just customize and alter the clothes that I already have. I already had an idea for my first one. Everyone loves lace, so I'm going to take some lace, some white lace, and I'm going to add this to the bottom of one of my pajama pants because I want to feel pretty and whimsy even in my PJs. So let's go do that and let's just start crafting together.
Guys, I finished putting on the lace. Look how cute. Look how freaking cute. I sewed on this lace real quick. Okay, I was doing hand stitching one way and then I stopped and started doing it another way. I don't know which way is really correct, but I just didn't like that these lines were going across and I could see them really prominently compared to like these ones that are going vertically, like up and down. I just think it looks better. From afar, you can't even tell though. So maybe it didn't matter. Maybe it didn't matter at all, but I think this is the perfect kind of whimsy addition, other than adding some to the waistband. But I don't know if I want to add any to the waistband because I feel like having it at the bottom is cute enough. I feel like it's already pretty whimsy because the pattern is stars, and that's already so cute.
Okay, Faye, next craft. So I decided I wanted to do some patchwork and I decided to draw out a little design. I think I want to do a fruit jacket. I think that would be cute. And I want to make a little green apple patch. So I literally drew out on a piece of paper this apple and how I want the patch to look. I just ironed everything, all of the fabric that I want to use. So I just need to trace and cut out the pieces. So that's what I'm doing right now. That's why this is cut out and I need to cut off the little stem. So then I can make the whole patchwork. So this is going to be the white fabric I'm going to use for the inside of the apple. I found some cute green gingham fabric, some 0.5 action right here, but I cut out some gingham fabric and put it on this interfacing to just make this a little more reinforced, a little bit sturdier, just because it's going to be patchwork on a jacket. This fabric's just a little thin. And then for the stem, I found some brown fabric that matches this one. Is this called gingham? I keep saying that, and now I'm like thinking it over, and I'm like, maybe it's not even called gingham. Anyway, I love this pattern, and these are gonna be the things that I use to make this little apple patch. I really hope that it works out. I haven't made a layered patch like that, so we shall see. I have just like stitched on little cutout, fabric stars or something, but this is a little more intricate, so let's try it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Also, I never do this, but I saw this hack that you could use Elmer's glue, just a glue stick, and use that for your fabric instead of pins. And it should stay just the same. Also, I heard it's really easy just because once you wash the fabric, the glue will come off because it's a little washable glue stick. So you're all good. I think this could be a bit helpful, but I don't know. I don't know if I would use this all the time or trust it always. So I don't know how well it would stay for
every fabric, but this seems to be working. Yeah, that's nice. But it's only if you have like a base fabric to like put it on. I don't know, because this I can't stick onto anything right now. But I'm wondering if I should attach it with it or just put it behind, or I don't know. Should I put it right on top? Right behind? I feel like right behind is actually cute. I'm gonna do it like that. I'll just put a little bit at the edge. Here. Oh, it's actually staying. Okay, cool. And then I just need to add some seeds in the center, and then, I mean, I guess the patch will be done, huh? It's almost done. So this is really cool. Okay, Faye, so I was about to stitch this apple patch on here, but I put it on this one. I think it's cuter. It just goes with the flow of the green. This one, yes, it does stand out more, but with the color, I feel like this is just better. And I don't know if I should place this right here or on this side or like lower. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure this out right now. But I decided I'm gonna go with the green jacket over the brown. Okay. I just finished it. Oh, wait. Okay, wrong side already. I'm just gonna put it on. I'm just putting it on. It's gonna be a little lumpy over this top, but I just need to see it. Maybe I shouldn't have reinforced it with interfacing because it's a little sturdy. Well, actually, it's not bad. It looked like I was just grabbing my boob there. I swear I wasn't. I was grabbing the patch. I feel like it looks random, but the thing is, I think this is just going to be a work in progress type of jacket because I want other fruits to be on here. Or like, you know what I mean? I want to have like a little berry or like, I don't know, maybe something else that's green. Maybe I could do a vegetable like celery. What if I do an avocado? That would be cute. I think it's just because it's so plain right now. Also, does it look weird that it's sticking up? Okay, somebody give me an advice on this, or maybe I should take it off and put it on something else. I did do all of this like work right now though. So I'm kind of like, maybe like eventually it'll look cute. I just think it's because it's really plain on this side, so there's nothing else to add. I feel like it just looks like this is all blank, so it's just very offset. So I need to put another patch like either up here, I think, like high or low, or actually both. I think I need one here and one here, and then it will balance out more, but at least I have a cute patch for now. Like, I do really like how this came out. The patch is so cute. I really love it, but I might have messed up with the interfacing or something. I feel like it just doesn't look very clean, and maybe that is also due to the fact that I didn't like sew the very edge of it. And maybe that's why it looks like that. Like instead of doing a zigzag at the end, I just have it with like a straight line going across, like a just a regular straight stitch. So maybe that's where I messed up, guys. Maybe that's where I messed up. I don't know. At least I did it though. Like at least I did something. So I got in more practice, but I really hope this jacket doesn't look stupid now because I feel like it looks dumb without other things on it. There's stuff in the back though. Wait, guys, I just remembered I have my mic, so you can still hear me and I don't have to yell. Okay, the back of this jacket, I actually already put patches on it originally. So I wanted something for the front, really, because it was just the leaves. Maybe I should have left it like that. Maybe I should have left it like that. I think it just looks so bold right now, just because it's the only other patch on here. Or if we think like doing some embroidery around the edge would be even cuter, maybe that. Maybe that. I think that's what it is. Maybe it's because the edges are so raw. I mean, it's really on there though. Like, it won't come off. It won't come off. I'm just not sure if it looks right. I just have to add more. I just have to wait. I have to wait.
I have to wait this out and feel it. I have to feel it. I have to feel it out. Time for fabric craft number 3. I was trying to think of the design I wanted because I wanted to change out my jean pocket, not remove my jean pockets, but kind of cover them with a different fabric. I was looking at it and just covering it just seems, it looks like I'm just slapping like this flat piece of fabric on here because it's just the same shape as the pocket and it's like I don't know what it is, but I wasn't liking it. I wasn't liking it. So I was trying to decide how I was going to decorate the pockets because the pockets are just really plain. I just want to spice them up. I want them to have a little bit of green. I just love green and I want it on like everything. So I basically drew out a couple ideas. The first one was that I was just going to cut out some wonky stars and put them on each butt cheek patch, okay? Each like back pocket. But I was like, you know what? Let's go with a softer shape. Let's not pick a shape so harsh and edgy and pointy. I was like, let's go with a little clover. A little clover. It almost looks like a flower, but I feel like with the fabric I have, imagine this just like slapped onto the back of the jeans, covering the entire pocket. It just looked, I don't think I liked it. I wasn't going for it. I think with this fabric though, it would look really cute on some jeans. It's really thin, so I'm gonna put some interfacing. Hopefully this doesn't ruin it, but it's jeans, so jeans are really sturdy. Like I want it to be a nice sturdy patch. I'm gonna have to hand stitch this on so I can still use the back pocket, but I think it'll be worth it. I think this will be a cute little design and I want to put one of these on each and then maybe if I feel like it, layer some buttons on the back or just some stitching, like some detailing for the clover. I just don't know if you could tell it's a clover. I just want a cool shape on the back of my pockets. I think it'll look fun. So let's go ahead and try that. So I also don't want this to be like the same craft as the last one. So in order to do a different fabric craft, I will also do some cute embroidery stitching, like edge stitching. I think if I do a decorative one, that would really make it. Since I have to do it by hand anyway, that would be super cute to just also decorate the edge. Maybe I'll look up a new stitch I've never done. Because right now, for decorative edge stitches, I can do for sewing is just a blanket stitch. I want to do something a little more intricate for little pattern, but see, I feel like this is cute. I could just put a little shape. I know it's like off, like this main part of the design isn't on it, but this is why I love using scraps. Like I feel like this with a cute edge stitch to make it decorative and unique. Like that's what's gonna make this really cute, even if it's off center. Like it's just homey. It's just homey and cozy because you made it yourself. So it's really unique. And that's why I love sewing so much because I enjoy wearing art. I just love fashion so much that to me it's really important to customize my clothes to allow me to express myself and just make me happy because my favorite color is green and I feel like I make that my whole personality and I'm not mad about it, but I'm mad when I'm not consistent about it. So I want all of my clothes to have just a little bit of me in it because I just see myself as the essence of green, just like a green fairy fae. So I am gonna look up some stitches to do for this and hopefully it comes out looking cute. I know it's wonky, but I honestly love it like that. I was looking up other embroidery stitches. Guys, that shit looks way too hard. I'm not doing that right now. I'm just gonna do a blanket stitch. Sorry. Guys, okay, ignore this red bump on my face. Sometimes that happens. I swear a piece of dust will like land on my face and then my face turns red right there. If you guys know what that is or what that means, let me know because that's like always happened. Like what? Like why am I just swelling? Like am I allergic to something? Cuz I feel fine. I feel fine. And then all of a sudden my lips swollen or like my cheek or you know what I mean? Okay. This is the setup I have, right? I feel like it doesn't look cute right now or aesthetic.
But once I get this down, I think we'll be good. Like, once I get some stitches in, I think it'll look really cute. Oh, and I have to make sure, because why was I doing a project last night on shirt, a shirt? And I didn't even think twice about it, but I was like hand stitching and I sewed through the entire shirt, like not just the first layer, like the front of the shirt. I went through the front and the back. Yeah, so I had to undo all the hand stitching and just like cut it and rip through it, and it made me sad that I had to do that, but it's okay. But I'm really trying not to do that with this pocket because I want to be able to use my pockets. I hate when pockets are fake because it's just annoying. Then, like, why would you put it, right? Like, why would you even have it? Why is it just for looks? So other people can think I have a pocket, but I can't use it? Like, it's weird. Don't do that. I think this hand stitching will give it personality. The other issue is I'm not using embroidery thread or anything, like a thick thread. I'm just using thread I use for my sewing machine. I say that because it's not as thick, so you really can't see the pattern like that. I'm like, hello, that's the point. Want to be able to see it. So I'm kind of sad that I only have like this thin thread instead of actual embroidery thread because I think it would look a lot better with that. But I'm just working with what I have because I feel like that's also the charm in it. No, no, Funky, no, please. Please, no, no.
I'm tired and I'm hungry. But I finished my last craft, so let me show you. So these are the jeans. And here's the patch. Is it cute or what? I feel like you can't really tell that it's a clover shape from afar. Like, it kind of just looks like I put some fabric on. Like, I feel like you can't really see the shape of it. And I was gonna do another thing on this pocket, but hand stitches take so much time, guys. It just takes so long. That's really the thing. It just takes a really long time and my hands are cramping and I'm just so hungry. So I'm stopping with this craft for now. I think it did turn out cute though, but I think it just doesn't really look like it has a shape from afar, but it's really cute fabric. Thank you so much for watching and being here. I hope to do more crafts with you soon. Hopefully you're able to get a couple crafts done while watching the video, and I will fly with you later. Bye.